Welcome to Learn to Build and Build to Learn AWS IoT series. In the last video, we have installed Thonny IDE, which we will use as code editor. In this video, we will flash Micropython firmware on ESP32 using this Thonny IDE. First, connect your ESP32 Devkit using USB. In my case, it has detected the USB to UART bridge controller. In case if it is not detected in your operating system, you may need to download and install the USB driver. Click connect. Let's go to run. Click configure interpreter. Make sure you have selected Micropython ESP32 as interpreter. And the port will be selected by default. But in case if it is not selected in your case, try to select the one where you connected the USB and leave all these options as default. Click install or update Micropython. In the target port drop down, select the USB to UART serial port, the same one. Micropython family is ESP32 variant. In my case, it is expressive ESP32 WROM. In case if you have defined variant, select that one that you have. Here I can see 1.24.1 is the latest version at this moment. So I'm going to select this one. But for any reason, if you want to install different version of firmware, you can click this link and it will take you to that corresponding download page, from where you'll be able to download different versions of firmware binary. Here you'll find the installation instruction using ESP tool. But in case of Thonny, all these things are integrated. So we are going to use that feature. Let's go back to Thonny IDE. In case if you have downloaded different version and you want to install that one, in that case, click this menu. Click select local Micropython image. Select the corresponding binary file that you have downloaded. And one more thing, in case if you encounter speed error during firmware flash, you can change that speed from here. So click this menu, then show install options. And here you will find that install speed, and you can choose alternative speed as fallback. And now we are ready to install. Click install. So Thonny IDE will download the corresponding firmware. It will flash the firmware on ESP32, and it will take a minute to write the firmware on ESP32. So let's wait. It's done. So let's close this window. Click OK. And we can see Micropython REPL prompt from this ESP32 board. And to verify, let's run this function help. And we can see welcome message, welcome to Micropython on ESP32. And this confirms that firmware flash is done properly. And we are good to start our Micropython coding on ESP32 board. So far, our code editor Thonny IDE is ready. ESP32 module is ready. So in the next video, I'll quickly walk you through all features of Thonny IDE that we are going to use during our coding. And also I'll take you to few online resources that we will refer time to time during our coding. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.